Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics, and today I want to speak on a question that I get all the time, and that is, why the law of attraction don't work for me? Yes, I get this all the time, and I finally want to answer it and lay it to rest. So watch this quick video all the way to the end, and listen, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is the Law of Attraction Metaphysical Life Coaching channel that brings you information in an easy to understand manner to help change your life. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. So now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to say about the law of attraction and why it don't work for you? I would like to start off first by saying the law of attraction is a universal law. It works regardless if you're aware of it or not. The people that are out there that are saying it don't work for me, I don't know why I can't get this to work, it's because you're actually stating that it's something that you do. It's basically something that already is. Now, a lot of times people try to manifest this, they try to manifest that, they try to be a deliberate creator, and they try to do this and that. A lot of times people don't get what they want is because they have an underlying belief about themselves or the situation. Because of this, it doesn't matter what you say, what you do, the universe is going to give you what you believe and what you're vibrating at. So let's just say you want money and you saying, oh, Eyvette, I want this money. Every time I turn around, I'm just broke. Stop right there. Your true belief is, I'm always broke. No matter what you do, that belief inside of you is going to be what is propelled forward out to the universe. And that's what you're going to vibrate. You're going to vibrate, I am broke. That's why it's important to start doing mirror work, affirmations, scripting, because it's a way of convincing your subconscious mind that these things are not true. It's a way of saying, hey, look, I had this belief, but now I'm trying to change it. This is not true anymore. I tell people, really, it's important that you write down a lot of the things that you believe about yourself. You need to sit down and take a few minutes and write down what it is you believe about money, what it is you believe about relationships, what it is you believe about your job. And then I need you to write down the opposite, or write down if this is true, or to realize, hey, am I going about this the wrong way? The first step into manifesting something that you're having difficulty doing is by first finding out, is there a belief inside of me that is there that is actually stopping me from manifesting what I want? You want that husband, you want him to marry you, but deep down inside you feel like he's a cheat, deep down inside you feel like you've been cheated on before and it's going to happen again. Either you're going to get that man or you're not going to get that man. But if you get that man, you're going to actually vibrate out that he's going to cheat on you. This is how the law of attraction works. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. Whatever your true belief is what's going to be vibrated out and what's going to be attracted to you. It is a perfect system as long as you know how to work it. Now, let's move on. The next thing I would like to say is, whatever it is you're trying to manifest, whatever it is you're trying to create in your life, you have to be at that conscious level of being and doing whatever it is you're trying to create. You cannot say, hey, look, I'm going to create $1 million, but be on a $25,000 conscious level. When I say conscious, I mean you have to actually already take yourself to that level. Take yourself to the situation where you want to be. Say to yourself, this is already true. And when you get to the level of saying, hey, look, I'm a millionaire. I already know I'm a millionaire. I already go to these stores and I walk around and I do this and I do that. Hey, look, you are actually vibrating at another level than when you were vibrating at a level of making 25,000. The more you see yourself and feel yourself to be that thing, that person, that situation, that's when it will materialize in your life. God works in mysterious ways, but he gave us a way of creating the life that we desire, which is perfect if we only knew how to use it. Now listen, some people may want $1 million. Some people may want that husband and that child. Some people may want that car or that home. Whatever it is that you want, you can have it. The system works regardless. But if you're trying to manifest something and inside you have a deep belief of the opposite, you might actually propel that forward and say, Eyvette, I tried to manifest money and ended up in debt. Why? Because you had a belief inside of you that actually every time you said, I am rich, something inside of you was saying, no, you're not. And that inner belief, as long as you kept repeating, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, and inside kept saying, no, you're not, no, you're not, no, you're not. You know this don't work. You know you broke. That inner belief is stronger than what you're saying, and it was pushed out, and that's how you ended up in the debt. The law of attraction works regardless. If anything you need to do, you need to really work on yourself. Again, by studying yourself, writing out what you truly believe about yourself in all different situations, about what it is you're trying to manifest, you will then find that inside of you, you got something built up that is saying the total opposite. Hey, look, if you write all this stuff down and you find out that you really don't have anything negative to say about the situation, hey, look, then keep moving in that direction. And God will move things out of your way to actually bring what you want into your life. A lot of times people are very impatient. Whenever you are impatient, you are saying, this is not working. I am worried about this. I am fearful about this. And you are going to stop or repel whatever it is you're trying to create in your life. The law of attraction works, people. The thing is, if you relax and release it to the universe and allow the universe, the God that's inside of you, to do its work, it will work. There's been times that things happen slow for me. But at the end of the day, I sat back and I said, whoa, I got that. And it didn't even dawn on me that I had it. I looked and I said, oh my God, this actually manifested into my life. When you trying to get something going and you trying to be a deliberate creator, remember, you have to already believe you can have it. You have to actually see yourself as already having it, already accomplishing it. And then you must make sure you go through and find out if there's any underlying beliefs that you have about yourself that can actually stop that from materializing in your life. That's why I tell people, hit that mirror, talk to yourself, let things out, let it out. A lot of people write me and say, Eyvette, when I do mirror work, I just cry. Great. Whatever's inside of you needs to come out. You need to release it. Then you need to analyze, is this really true? Is it true that I will always be broke? Is it true that I will never find the love of my life because they always cheat? Is this true? And then you find out that it is not. And then once you realize you got a belief inside of you that is not true, it's more easier to let it go. Listen, the law of attraction works. For all of you people out there saying the law of attraction don't work for me, stop it. The law of attraction is a universal law that is perfect and always work. Listen, this is Eyvette from My World of Metaphysics. I'm always bringing you law of attraction, metaphysical knowledge to help you change your life. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. You can follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. You can also receive one-on-one coaching from me. You can go to store.myworldofmetaphysics.com to buy metaphysical items. I also have Teespring that's in the description that you can buy My World of Metaphysics clothing. And again, this is Eyvette. Namaste.